What is up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to give you a quick update on what's going on with my TradeDay accounts. If you've been following me, you know I've been documenting my journey with TradeDay from the eval phase to the funded phase, plus taking live withdrawals here on YouTube and breaking down the trades so you can do it too. So in this video I want to show you some of the trades that we've been taking, posting in Discord groups so you can follow along and learn and hopefully do it by yourself with your evals or funded accounts as well. There's a link in my description to my Discord group if you want to join for free. It's a free community, and then watch some of the breakdown and trades there as well. So without any further ado, let's get into this. So basically, just a quick update with my TradeDay accounts. I have one funded right now because I blew two accounts last video, which I showed, but I banked on one, which is $5,000, took that withdrawal. And then now I emailed TradeDay. They're telling me I can now go from 15,000 to 20,000, which is the next milestone. And once I reach 20,000, I have to email them again to see what is up, what I have to do next. Most likely I will be moved to live once I get to 20,000. So going to my TradeDay dashboard, you can see I have my funded account over here and I am ready for withdrawal, which I just did just now. So you can see I have a withdrawal pending $1,120 over here. So that should be coming later today. And then I have my three evals I'm working towards getting funded right now. I believe it's it's around the third day right now, 45% completed. So once I complete this process, making it to $9,000, which is a profit target, once I do that, I will be converted into a funded account, which is nice because I don't have to pay activation fee with the current promo. And also I had 40% off when I bought these evals. If you're interested to learn more, there's a link in the description. And if you use my code GST, you'll also get 40% off. All right, so that is TradeDay. Now I am working towards funding ticks. These are straight to funded. So third day, all green day, which is nice. I am taking it slower on these ones because they have lower drawdown. So I'm only taking A+ setups, not being too greedy on them. And I need to trade 7 days and then reach the profit target of 6,000 to get a withdrawal. So with that being said, let's go over to my trading view. So here's my trading view. Here's one of the positions that we got in, which I also posted in my Discord group here under mentor charts over here. You can see at 1 p.m. I posted, hey, this is the buy zone that I'm looking for. So if we come down, swept liquidity, go back up, then I'm looking for a buy here, which it did happen over here. As you can see, price did come down here, swept liquidity, and then we went straight up. So over here, what we want to do is we want to make sure we follow the news and fundamentals, right? So we know here in Taiwan around 10 p.m. we have ISM services PMI, and then it was bad for the dollar, good for gold. So meaning gold will continue going up. Now over here, we actually got in around like 8:30, 8:40 area, just because we saw the price coming down, swept liquidity, and then it popped back up with momentum and volume, right? Meaning big money, institution, banks are coming in, pushing price up. And this is before news came out. News came out around this area, pulled back and went back up, which you can get in here as well with the pullback. And looking at fundamentals, knowing gold will go up, hitting our TP right here, which is the fixed volume profile, and my sell zone over here. But why I got in earlier, because the comments open, we have volume coming in, and then I was pretty bullish on gold overall. So this was just a liquidity sweep to go back up. Now I didn't know it will push down all the way here, so of course you have to wait for confluence before jumping into trades, right? So my confluence here is once it swept liquidity, we had this drop here, second drop, and even a W pattern if you want to see that as well. But we had this liquidity sweep, volume came in, pushed price up above our point of control, and also we have this IFVG, which is the imbalance here, broke through, close above, wait for a pullback, we can get in. Now some people will just get in with the break of the imbalance and get in because we already had a liquidity sweep, and then it's in our direction for a nice long. So once we broke above, we took a buy here and then went here. So to add on to the confluence, I thought is because we had a breaker and an imbalance, so price coming back here will be another nice buy. So sometimes we don't go straight up, sometimes we'll go up back to the breaker or imbalance here and then head up like that. So I would have taken another buy here if it did come down, but with this momentum and with the comics open, I was pretty confident that we'll be going up and hitting our TP. Here's liquidity, right? There's a lot of liquidity up here, this fixed volume profile. So basically once it started pumping up, you can put stops to break even, trail your stop along the way, and then just follow price. And then it did tap into our fixed volume profile over here and then dropped, right? So that's pretty nice price action. So that was called out in my Discord group, and if you want to have more information, if you have any question regarding your trades, you can also comment below or ask me in my Discord group as well. Again, there's a link in the description if you want to join for free. It's a free community. All right, so if you want more of these videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you want me to post something more different, you can also let me know as well in the comment section below. So hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a quick one, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.